Today I'm reviewing the KEDSUM Stair Climbing Dolly, and at the end we'll do a mini comparison of a standard heavy-duty dolly. But if you've ever tried hauling something bulky like an appliance or heavy boxes up a flight of stairs with a regular dolly, you know how much strain it puts on your back and arms. This dolly is designed to make that process easier and safer. First off, the build quality is solid. The frame is made from this thickened iron tubing. It also comes with a telescoping handle, which means you can adjust the height depending on what feels comfortable, whether you're taller or shorter, and that makes it easier to get leverage when you're tilting it back. Now, the real difference compared to the standard dolly is in the wheel design. Instead of the usual 2-wheel setup, the KEDSUM uses an 8-wheel system with 3-wheel clusters on each side. As you pull it up the stairs, the wheels rotate in sequence so the load climbs smoothly, step by step. With a standard dolly, every stair is basically a bump you have to muscle through, which puts all the strain on your arms and lower back. With this design, again, the effort is spread out, so while you still feel the weight, it's noticeably easier and much more controlled. On flat ground, it rolls just as smoothly as a normal dolly, so you're not giving up any convenience when you're moving across level surfaces. But in practice, this dolly is really good for anybody that has to move heavy loads up and down stairs on a regular basis. Think movers, delivery drivers, or even homeowners that have basements, that live in condos or townhouses. I know of some complexes that if it's only 2 or 3 stories, they're not required and don't have elevators, so you have no choice but to haul things up and down the stairs. But it also does less scuffing to steps compared to dragging a traditional dolly. But that being said, if all you ever do is move things across flat ground, a regular heavy-duty dolly will get the job done. But if stairs are a big part of your life, then the KEDSUM Stair Climbing Dolly is a big difference in both effort and safety. Overall, the Stair Climbing Dolly is built tough, it's rated for extreme weight, and it makes stair hauling far more manageable than a standard dolly. It doesn't completely eliminate the work, but it makes the process smoother, safer, and less stressful on your body. For me, that makes it a worthwhile upgrade over a traditional dolly, especially if stairs, again, are a big part of your job and a big part of your life. Now, when comparing this to a traditional dolly, they both have their pros and cons. For starters, the traditional dolly is welded together. There's no screws, there's no telescoping anything. You can bang it up, you can beat it up, you can let it roll around in the truck, you can throw it in the garage, whatever. No problems whatsoever. It's going to come out unscathed every time. The more screws and bolts and nuts and pins and things that it has is going to make it a little bit less durable in the long run for that reason. So a standard dolly might be able to endure more beatings. This one is rated for 500 pounds, while the other heavy duty is only for 400. So you're not going to compromise any loads or abilities with this one. The platform for the KEDSUM dolly is a little bit longer, while the width for the regular dolly is a little bit wider. So you have some give and take there. But what I love about this one though is just how light it is. I mean, the heavy duty dolly is bulky, it's heavy, you can't fold it up, you have nowhere to store it unless you have a garage or a storage closet or somewhere with a large space to put it. If you're in a townhouse or a condo with this is perfect. You can tuck it in a closet, you can put it somewhere inside, whereas the other one, you absolutely can't do that. But while they both have their pros and cons, this one is a little bit more easy to use, a little bit more convenient. I can fold it up, I can put it inside in the closet, I can throw it in the back of the trunk, my wife can use it a lot easier. So in my opinion, it's just a little bit more versatile. But again, they both have their place. If you're not using stairs a lot, then I wouldn't buy something like this. I would just get a traditional dolly. If you have somewhere to store it additionally, then obviously something like that makes more sense. But if you're looking for something versatile that can fold up, fits your life a little bit better, especially if you live in the city or somewhere that you don't have access to elevators, give this one a shot. I really don't think you'll be disappointed. I've had a number of KEDSUM products, from grocery carts to utility carts, and I can tell you that they make a really quality product. So hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.